The global plastic pollution crisis is well known to everyone, and whilst there are great measures across the globe to reduce single-use plastics, more can be done. The award-winning BUYO team has come up with a proprietary solution to create bioplastics from organic waste materials that can be sourced here in Vietnam for free or at a very small cost, offering high-quality bioplastic products to the global market.
Hello everyone, I'm Hạnh Do, co-founder and CEO of BUYO. We all know that plastic crisis is threatening the survival of our planet. At BUYO, we are pioneering in converting biowaste into 100% nature-based and biodegradable bioplastics to protect our planet and human health. Bans of single-use plastics have been issued by governments around the world. 175 countries have signed the UN Treaty for Ending Plastic Pollution by 2024. Major corporations are also phasing out plastics in their supply chain. Both the macro policies and the corporate ESG agenda are strong drivers to create a huge market opportunity for bioplastics. The global market size for bioplastics by 2026 will be 11.6 billion, of which Europe and North America account for 6.4 billion. And if BUYO can grab just 2% of the market share, we will hit 128 million revenues by 2026. Let's look at the market landscape. BUYO differentiates ourselves by focusing on the most optimal market segment. We offer bio-based and biodegradable bioplastics. In the lower right corner, PLA, the most popular bioplastic in the market, cannot degrade in the natural environment. Within the most optimal market segment, while the first generation technology uses starch material, which competes with food security, BUYO's advanced second-generation technology utilizes discarded biowaste and we save starch for food. BUYO holds a proprietary technology with our secret biowaste materials, bacteria strains, nutrition sources, as well as our confidential know-how in the fermentation process, in mixing different biopolymer additives, and in processing the final applications. BUYO holds compelling competitive advantages in the markets. First, our products are fully biodegradable in the natural environment. Second, the biowaste material we use is abundantly available in Vietnam at almost zero cost. Third, our bioprocess generates much lower carbon footprint compared to any other chemical process. Our product properties are comparable to regular plastics and more superior than PLA in terms of tensile strength, crystallinity, elasticity, etc. Bioproducts are potential for various high-value-added applications. In stage 1, we will offer fresh fruit and vegetable packaging, instant food wrapping, durable bags. In stage 2, applications in the medical and cosmetic sectors like wound dressing, face masks, and in stage 3, other applications in the textile and food industry. Our go-to-market strategy, we will pursue a B2B model, with the focus on the European and Canadian market in phase 1, USA market in phase 2, and other markets in phase 3. Our business model anchors around the biotech holding companies who owns all the IPs, the bio trademark, the exclusive supply chain, which includes both the biowaste supplies and the connection with buyers. We manage the manufacturing process via our own factory and outsourced factory. We package the technology so that it's easy to scale up capacity via outsourced factories, but still protect our IPs. Our team is the biggest advantage of BUYO. We have a star team of very experienced entrepreneurs and the top scientists from the world's leading universities and research institutes in the area of biotech and chemical engineering. We have achieved significant technology results, including IP filing, the first prize at the 100+ Labs competition, the first startup from Vietnam selected into the Global 100 Accelerator Program, co-funded by AB InBev, Coca-Cola, Unilever, and Colgate-Palmolive. By getting into this program, BUYO has secured access to the largest plastic buyers in the world. We have also provided samples and signed future contracts with Joy Food, SL Group, Determinant, Andy Private Capital, and Orchid Health Supplies, and we are in talk with Swire and Tetra Pak. After this round, we will focus on product development and operation setup. We plan to kick off the production by Q3 this year. achieve the 2.5 million revenue by the end of next year, and hit the 200 million revenue target by the end of 2028. For this round, we have secured 20% of our financing needs from debt financing for fixed asset investment, another 20% from grants and self-financing for R&D and patent application. And we are planning to raise 60% from equity investment to fund R&D and operating costs. We bring here today some samples of our products: wrapping film, packaging, face masks. At BUYO, solving the world's problem is our utmost happiness and aspiration. We look forward to working with you all on that. Thank you.